Hello, everyone. Good morning. Janet Shiner here. I hope everyone is doing really well. I'm coming on today to share with you a simple natural solution that you can use for your kids in school to build emotional resiliency. And I have with me here today the doTERRA Kids Collection of Essential Oils. And the reason I felt called to come on and talk to you about it today is because it's the end of September, and I know when I was a school teacher, towards the end of September, the teachers are really expecting children to focus, and the work is starting to build, and it can cause some anxiety or stress for children. So if you're a grandparent or a mom or a dad and you are experiencing this with your kids, drop a one down below in the comments and let me know. Because I know when I was a teacher, a lot of times there would be some crying in September, and kids would have a little bit of a difficult time adjusting to this new structured routine. I mean, think about it. They're coming off of summer where they're with their families all the time, and it's a very free flowing schedule during the summer, and now they're in school all day, and the homework is building. And so that's when you can use essential oils to really help because they are a super powerful tool. So today I'm going to share with you how they work, and I'm also going to update you on my children's book and how it's coming along. So let's take a look at the kids collection. So first of all, I just love this collection. It comes in this really cute carry case. So it's nice and easy. And this is how the oils come. They come in these roller bottles. And I encourage you to teach your children how to put on these essential oils by themselves because they're meant to be really kid friendly. You can see that each one has a different colored top, so they know which one is for which. And we want to always be encouraging our kids to be building their emotional resilience and their health toolbox. And this is just another way. I know that for me, essential oils have been so helpful and a really important part of my morning routine. And they've helped me in my life when I was stressed or overwhelmed. I always went to my oils. So that's why I want to share them with you today. So we're going to go through the oils, but before I do, I also want to teach you how essential oils work. So basically, when you smell an oil, what happens is tiny molecules travel through your nose and they go directly to the limbic system of the brain. Now, this is the part of the brain that controls memory, emotions, and the stress response. That's why when you use an essential oil, instantly your mood is lifted and you feel calmer and you feel more focused. So drop down below the word calm if you are looking for more calm in your life and you want to help your children to feel calmer throughout the school day. And as I go through the oils, I'm going to share with you the benefits of each one of the essential oils in the kids collection. And it's super easy. You just roll a little bit on your wrist, close the cap, and rub your wrists together, make a little cup shape like this. Take a smell, and when you inhale it, you feel amazing. And I'm going to go through the benefits of each one. So let's talk about the first one. So the first one is the Calmer Blend. And you could see this one is purple. And this one really promotes relaxation and a restful night's sleep. It could also be used to really quiet and calm the mind down. And I just love this blend. It's beautiful. Okay, the next one is the Thinker. And you could see here it has the yellow top. And this is the Focus Blend. So thinker is great during study time, or if your child has been through school all day and then they have a break after school, they're sitting down at the table to do their homework and they're having trouble focusing on their homework or what it is they need to do. So you can use thinker for that, which is amazing. Smells so good. Next one is the steady blend. This is grounding, and it's also a great smell, really comforting aroma, and it promotes balance and a sense of calm. Beautiful smell. And the next one that we have in the collection is Rescuer. Now, this is the soothing blend. So if your child has like a nervous tummy, they can rub this on their belly, and this really helps. And I just love these little caps with the colors at the top. And they also come with this little connector so they can put it right on their backpack. And they can, ask to be excused during the day, go to the bathroom, put this on, or put it on before they leave for school, better yet, so it's not any kind of distraction. And this one is the stronger blend. It's protective, and this is if they are feeling a cold coming on, and it helps with the immune system. So that's another beautiful one. And then finally, this one is the Brave blend for courage. So drop some hearts down below if you are enjoying learning about all of these essential oils. I absolutely love them, and I love sharing these with families who want to help their kids to become stronger and have better coping mechanisms during the day, and I know they are really super helpful. So I'm going to put them back in this cute carry case over here that they came in. So cute. They could throw this right into their backpack. Comes with a little zipper, so it's very child friendly. And I also want to show you that it comes with these flashcards. So I'm going to leave the link down below if anyone wants to order their kids' collection. I am actually sending this one off to Barry. She is in her second year of college, and I know that she will really appreciate these oils for studying. And the cards tell you how to use them, and the cards are color-coded with the name of the oil, like Thinker, the Focus Blend, and it tells on the back exactly how to use it. So when it's time to get creative and focus, gently put Thinker on the back of your neck for support and enhance your well-being. Calmer, the Restful Blend, Tamer, Digestive, and I just love that on the back they have exactly how to use it for the kids. And you can help them learn how to use them in the beginning. And then, like I said, encourage the kids to put them on. Stronger, the Protective Blend, Rescuer, Soothing. After running, jumping, and playing, rub Rescuer onto the legs, feet, or back to soothe an active body. And these cards are really helpful. Steady for a grounding blend, and Brave, one of my favorites, the Courage blend. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed learning about the kids collection of doTERRA essential oils. I absolutely love them, like I said. And actually, let me talk to you about the Calmer blend, because as you know, I'm publishing my first children's book, and it's coming along really great. I'm putting a lot of hard work into it. I don't know anyone out there who has also published a book. Let me know down below in the comments. Just write the word author, and I'll know that you too have published a book. But a lot of work goes into not only writing the book, but the editing part, which is the part that I'm up to right now with my wonderful publisher, Lisa Pelto. She's helping me at Concierge Marketing. She's fabulous. And we are going word by word to make sure that every sentence and line is perfect for the book. and it should be coming out in a few weeks. I'm super excited to share it with anyone working in a school or therapists or school psychologists. It's about a little girl named Sally, and she's going through some really big family changes. And she is finding in the book that the strength that she needed all along was right inside her heart. And she discovers these 10 power promises that help her. These are promises she makes to herself to keep her heart strong while she goes through the big changes. And I'm really excited to share the power promises with you. I'll give you a little bit of an idea of some of them. The first power promise that she discovers is, I am my own superhero. Power promise 2, cheer yourself on. Number 3, feelings aren't forever. Number 4, I am not what happened to me. Number 5, small steps lead to big changes. And one of my favorites is power promise number 6, find the good even when it's hard. So there's a whole bunch more that I'll share with you once the book comes out. But one of the things I love about the book is it's kind of a mini version of my first book, Journal to Shine, only this new book is for children, ages 8 through 12. So I'm super excited about it. And I actually mentioned the Calmer blend inside the book. And inside the book, I also have lots of other wellness tips and tools that I will be sharing. So, as we wrap up, drop any questions down below that you have for me. I'm happy to help you and your family, to help our children build emotional resiliency. I think it's super important, especially in the world that we live in now, and how it is to navigate school situations. And we want to give our kids all the tools that we can to help them to have a calmer and a better life. So if you've enjoyed this video, please share the video with other teachers or parents or grandparents that you think would really enjoy the video and learning about using these simple natural solutions for building emotional wellness. And follow along for more tips. I'm going to come on and keep coming on live to share with you my natural solutions, because I absolutely love this company, doTERRA. It has so much to offer. It's a beautiful company. And doTERRA actually means gifts of the earth. So thank you for listening. And again, follow along for more updates on my book too. I'm super excited to share it with you. All right, all. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thank you for listening.